In this video, we learn about the type of number systems used in digital electronics. In the subsequent videos, we'll learn about more topics related to digital electronics. So please like this video and subscribe the channel. What is a number system? Basically, a number system is a system that represents numbers by using different digits or symbols in a consistent manner, that is, by following certain rules. There are different characteristics that define a number system. These include the number of independent digits that are used in the number system. The number of independent digits used in the number system are referred to as the radix or the base of the number system. The place values of different digits constituting the number is another characteristic of the number system. Another important characteristic of the number system is the maximum numbers that can be written with a given number of digits. As I've told earlier, the radix of a number system is the number of independent digits or symbols that are used in the number system. Like for example, the commonly used decimal system has 10 as the radix because it uses 10 independent digits, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The radix of a number system is also referred to as the base of the number system. Any number is generally represented in the format x subscript y, where x is the string of the digits and y is the radix or the base. But when we describe the decimal system, we generally avoid this radix because it is implied that this is the decimal system because it is the most commonly used system. The four commonly used number systems are the decimal number system, which has a base of 10. That means we have 10 independent digits. Binary number system with a base of 2. It has 2 independent digits, that is 0 and 1. The octal number system with a base of 8 and the hexadecimal number system with a base of 16. We'll discuss these number systems in detail in this video. The decimal number system has 10 different digits or symbols. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Therefore, the radix of this number system is 10. Any higher number is made by using these 10 digits only. The place value of different digits is written as shown here. In the mixed number system, if we take the integer part, the ones place has a place value of 10 raised to the power 0. The tens place has 10 raised to the power 1, then subsequently 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 3. For the fractional part, we have 10 raised to the power minus 1, 10 raised to the power minus 2 and 10 raised to the power minus 3 as the place values. The numeric value of a decimal number is determined by multiplying each digit by its place value and then adding them all together. These are some examples where you can see how the value is calculated. Just read these examples for a minute and try to understand them. The binary number system has 2 independent digits, which is 0 and 1. So it is a radix 2 or a base 2 number system. All larger numbers are represented in terms of 0 and 1 only. The place values of different digits are calculated in a manner similar to that of the decimal number system, except for the fact that we take numbers with 2 raised to the power something. Like in the ones place, we'll have 2 raised to the power 0. And then the numeric value is calculated by multiplying each digit by the place value of that position. And then we add all the products. Now if we see the first example 1101, in the ones place we have 1, so we multiply it by 2 raised to the power 0 to get its place value. In the tens place we have 0, so we multiply it by 2 raised to the power 1, and then subsequently we have 1 which is multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2, and in the thousands place we have 1 which is then multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. The other two examples are solved in the similar manner. The octal number system is referred to as a radix 8 number system as we have 8 different digits or symbols. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And all the larger numbers are represented in terms of these 8 digits. The place values are calculated in the manner explained earlier, and the numeric value is also calculated in exactly the same manner, except for the fact that we multiply with 8 raised to the power 0 or 1 depending upon the position of the digit. Now see this example and understand it for yourself. It is very simple. Now the question comes, what is the number after 7 in the octal number system? Because 7 is the largest digit in the octal number system, so it is 10. After 7 we write 10. The hexadecimal number system is a radix 16 number system, and we have 16 independent digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, B, C, D, E and F. The place value of different digits in a mixed hexadecimal number starting from the decimal point are 16 raised to the power 0, 16 raised to the power 1 and so on. And for the fractional part it is 16 raised to the power minus 1, 16 raised to the power minus 2 and 16 raised to the power minus 3. The numeric value is calculated as mentioned here. Now see this example and understand the numerical value yourself. So a question arises, what number is after the number f in the hexadecimal number system? It is 10. In the subsequent videos, we'll do more number conversions. We'll do 1's complement, 2's complement, we'll do the BCD code, the Gray code, we'll have a quiz on the number systems, and then we'll dwell on to the next topic, that is binary arithmetic. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.